What's happening, y'all? I'm just gonna do an unboxing. I went in on 2 Meton Boss auctions, and I won both of them. It was a total of about, I think, $65 shipped for both of these thingamabobs here. So here we go. Cheers to your Saturday. Got my Gatorade. Ha ha ha. All right, let's get into this real quick. I got this coin, and I'm not going to try to pronounce the pattern. You see it on Urban EDC Supply. By the way, go check them out. Urban EDC Supply is awesome. I'll try to link them down below. I don't think I've done that before. Maybe I'll do it now. Oh, wow, that worry coin is cool. Absolutely. Hope this video is going focused. I'm using a different mount for my camera. I like it a lot. Let's see what else I got in my pocket. These things, sharp and shiny, and my glow Mandalorian. And this is, I think, my family's home, so I might cut this short. This is a haptic bullet. It's a magnet. That's it. This is cool. I won the right to purchase these auction. Oh, it goes on the other side too. So these would probably be more than $65 if I got the pair. Cool. Cheers, y'all. Have a good Saturday night, and go outside. Enjoy the cold or the hot or the whatever. Just get some fresh air. It's good for you. All right. Later, y'all.